hi there, or should I say hello, or hi, or hey, or the ultimate mysterious one, what's up? Hmm. Welcome back to your favorite English listening practice where we make learning so easy that even your cat could understand. And if your cat is watching this, hi to him, Mr. Whiskers. Nice to meet you. Today, we're talking about greeting people. Yes, greetings. The first words you say when you meet someone. And let's be honest, if you get this wrong, the whole conversation is basically over. Like, you say good morning at 10 p.m., and the other person looks at you like you just announced you're an alien. Now, let's say you're walking down the street, you see your friend Emma. You could say, hi, nice and simple. Or, hello, if you're feeling a bit formal, like you're about to sell her life insurance. Or you can go with, hey, this one is casual, like, I am too cool to use 2 syllables. And then, of course, the mysterious and slightly risky, what's up? This doesn't mean what is above your head. No, it means, how are you? But you're pretending you don't actually care about the answer. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hi. Hello. Hey. What's up? Again. Hi. Hello. Hey. What's up? Perfect. If your neighbor didn't hear you, shout it again and scare them a little. Okay, let me give you an example. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. It's 8 a.m. You walk in, you see the barista. Do you say, what's up? No, you say, good morning, because you're polite and because the barista controls your caffeine supply. But if he is your best friend behind the counter, maybe you say, hey, because you're relaxed and you don't want to sound like you're at a royal tea party. In addition, greetings change depending on time. If it's before noon, it's good morning. After 12 p.m., good afternoon. And at night, good evening, which is polite, or hi again, yes, I'm still awake, if you're me. And if it's midnight, honestly, you just say, why are we both awake? Now, interactive moment for you. Look around. Is there someone in the room with you? No? Okay, pretend there is. Greet them. Say hi, or hello, or what's up? Go on, I'll listen. Yes, that is beautiful. You're basically a social butterfly now. However, greetings are not just words, they are social traps. For example, in some cultures, you kiss people on the cheek when you greet them. In others, you just wave. And in some, you do the awkward half hug, half pat on the back, which is the international sign for, I don't know what we are. Now, let's do a quick interactive game. I'll say the situation, you pick the greeting. You meet your boss at 9 a.m. Good morning. You see your best friend after school. Hey! You meet a neighbor in the elevator. Hi! You meet someone at a party and want to sound cool. What's up? Now, let's say you make a mistake. You meet someone at night and say, good morning. It's not the end of the world. You can laugh and say, oops, I meant good evening. See? You just turned an awkward moment into comedy gold. Perfect. Unless you said, what's up, to your boss, in which case, please let me know how your new job search goes. Moreover, greetings are a perfect place to add personality. For example, you can say, hello there, in a friendly way, or hey, with 3 E's, if you want to sound like a reality TV star. You can even add hand gestures, like a wave or a peace sign, although maybe skip the peace sign if you're in a job interview. Practice makes perfect. Let's repeat all of them again. Hi, hello, hey, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Again. Hi, hello, hey, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now it's your turn. Tomorrow, when you see someone or anyone, try using a different greeting than usual. If you always say hi, say hello. If you always say hello, try what's up. Just don't do this with your grandma unless you want a confused look and possibly a lecture. Okay, let's make it fun. Here's a tongue twister for you. Happy Hannah says hello, hi, hey, and howdy happily. Try saying that 3 times fast. If you can do it without spitting on your screen, congratulations. You are officially an English master. So, today we learned how to greet people in English without sounding like a robot or a confused time traveler. We practiced hi, hello, hey, what's up, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Moral of the story? A good greeting opens doors. A bad greeting, well, it makes people slowly back away while smiling nervously. If you mess it up, just smile and pretend it is a joke. 90% of social skills is just acting confident while making mistakes. Now, homework time. Watch this video one more time tomorrow because repetition is the key to success. And yes, I will know if you don't. Also, go greet 3 people today. Bonus points if one of them is your fridge. What about your action plan? Go out into the world, or at least your living room, and practice these greetings on real humans, or cats, or plants, or birds. I don't judge. The point is, use them. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. Give me your most awkward greeting story, or make one up. If it's really funny, I might read it in the next video. And if it's boring, well, I'll just pretend I didn't see it. All right, that's it for today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Yes, I will actually be counting the hours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Or else, I will personally come to your house and greet you with good morning in my pajamas in a creepy whisper at 3 a.m. See you in the next video. I will miss you. Bye for now.